nito, sarap magpalamig.
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Umiinom ka na naman? Gago! Labor Day ngayon ah. Ano bang sense ng Labor Day? Labor Day, araw ng manggagawa.